Imagine having a tattoo that looks brand new every single day. That's the magic of coconut oil for your body art. Coconut oil is more than just a trendy kitchen staple. It's a game changer for tattoo care with its natural, nourishing properties. When applied to tattoos, coconut oil prevents drying and cracking. It maintains the vibrancy of your colors, making them pop like day one. Unlike common tattoo care products, coconut oil is free from harsh chemicals. It soothes your skin while enhancing the beauty of your ink. Coconut oil also speeds up healing, reducing the risk of infection. It's the perfect solution for newly inked skin, promoting faster recovery. Don't just take our word for it, try it yourself. Experience the transformation as coconut oil takes your tattoo from good to extraordinary. Beyond imagination, coconut oil redefines tattoo care. Invest in the health of your ink and watch your body art come to life every day.